Hello, everybody. Today, I will be talking about rules at home. You ready? Yeah, I go. One friend dey wey go greet her little sister just because her sister born get maybe 3 to 4 months old. So she say make he just give her surprise visit. So when she reach there, he surprised say him sister wey she don see for months because she just really give birth. He surprised say his sister lose weight. So she surprised. He come dey ask him junior sister say, which food you dey take? Why you just lose weight like this? Which diet food you dey take? Na him sister tell am say he no dey take no diet food, nothing. Na normal food wey she dey eat, na she dey take. So he say, but why the weight you don lose weight like this? She come dey skinny. He say if not say because you be her sister, that is the elder sister dey tell the younger one. I say if not say because she be her sister, if for the think something different about her. He say but anyway since they stop this your food or the kind of food wey you dey take, stop am. So the girl say no, this one no. Women now dey try to cover up some things make her sister no know. So he come ask her little sister husband say, look your woman, na modelo she wan turn to now? Why she just lose weight like this? Say now she dey skinny. He know say men no dey like skinny women like this. Why your wife go be? He say the man talk say na wetin she want now. So she no talk, she just know. So after some few minutes like that, so his sister go kitchen go prepare food, bring come for her. So as dem sit, dem don finish the food, dem dey for table dey talk some kind discussion like that. So when the junior sister na pack the place, everything comot. So she come to say she dey tasty, make she go take water, make she drink. When she reach kitchen, she surprise. Wetin she see, not wetin she fit imagine. Him sister wey talk say he no dey diet, he no dey take anything. And when she serve food for plate wey dem wan eat, even her 4 months old baby, even if he eat that food, that her child go still dey cry for more, go still say he need more food to take. But he surprise. His sister go kitchen dey swallow food. So as he see am, the shock when she get when he see his sister for that moment, his sister just tell am say just take her hand, do like this, make she no talk out. So now her sister wetin? Sister say no. So she don talk, she go back to the dining seat with her sister husband. Dem come dey talk. So later this girl come. So he too surprised when he see his sister, that the mood when he see his sister. So she know say something dey go wrong. How somebody go in own house? You can imagine that your own house, you dey dodge or dey thief dey eat food. Just like you dey work for hotel now, big restaurants, you dey for kitchen session, you dey and you dey hungry, you no wan make your supervisor see you. So wetin you go do? You go quickly carry food, dodge, dey eat. Just like you dey thief the food. So na so she do am for her own kitchen. You fit imagine that? Your own kitchen, you dey thief your food, dey eat. He say that thing surprise her. He say so she no talk, she no make any comment. He just keep. So he come tell his sister say okay. After they don sit down, they don talk, they don eat, he come ask his sister say okay, whether you fit follow am go downtown, make dem go do window shopping. His sister say he no fit go. When his sister say he no fit go, he dey look her husband. Na say make dem just go do window shopping for them, make him do shopping for your son. He say the girl say no, he no go fit go. They find one excuse to give her. He say na he ask her husband, his sister husband, say look, he wan make your wife, give your wife the permission, make him take her, make dem go out, go do window shopping. But for her own mind, she wan ask her sister wetin dey really go wrong, because wetin she see no be the right thing. So the man say na she go fit talk for herself. Na him no fit put word for your sister mouth. If your sister like to go, okay. If she no like to go, he no fit tell am wetin to do. So she no know wetin she go do. This her elder sister, She say she no know wetin she go do. He say as luck go dey her side, dis man friend, her younger sister husband friend just come. So when he come now, she bring the conversation again. Na that one come talk say, look, your sister no dey like to go out. Even im own wife dey vex for your sister, but now they don settle the issue. Because when he invite your sister for something, one occasion like that, your sister refuse. She no come and she no call. So na after days, na your sister come call say im dey sorry o, see why she no fit meet up or why she no come. But there is this lady, im husband present for the occasion wey dem do the naming ceremony wey the other couple do. So this lady come, this friend come see opportunity take call im sister say, nah, your husband don get visitor, you no suppose to dey na, make dem go, make you let your husband dey talk with im friend. So na there this lady dress her son, then dem go out for the window shopping. So when he reach there, now he put his hand say, now tell me the truth. Na there the girl come dey cry, come tell him sister say, see wetin dey happen. He no wan talk. Say look, since when she lost her job, her husband change towards her. Say her husband say the income na only him dey pay for the bills of the home. Say so the man say he no go fit take off those things again. If this lady no go work, find work, he no fit take off the bills. So when he tell his sister, like, sister come say, why this thing go be like this? He say na since when she lost her job. But she no still care. The lady no, her little sister no still care. He say, but wetin, when his little sister dey talk, he come surprise say she get bubble gums for her teeth. So na there the little sister come tell her say, some past week, say when he tell him husband about money for food for the son, he said the man refuse. Say how he no get the money to pay, he don't get the money to pay this one, he no get the money to pay that, everything he go pay this, he go pay that, he go pay that. Say wetin you want, make you go work. He said after that argument like that, the man just raise him hand, punch her. So in teeth come off, in her teeth come move. So now he say, so your husband punch you? He say yes. He say so because of this thing, now make she no dey wan go out. Even people dey ask say wetin dey happen, why she no dey come out as before? He say but she no go fit, she no fit tell them wetin dey happen for her home. Say because she dey fear too much of the aggression wey the man dey give her. Say he no go fit explain that thing to, even if not say because you be him sister, say if or not tell her the truth or the story. So somebody like that, if the man dey aggressive like that, they many professionals dey now. If the man no, make the man go register for ring when he go fit dey punch. Many fighters dey than the one he go dey punch his wife for house to pull her teeth. Make him register for ring, make they go for boxing. So the lady come think like this, come say no. But this girl, with that fear, when the man don't tell the punch am every time, the girl come get fear for mind. She no want talk, he no want make her sister explain the problem to the man. Now sister come say, okay, wetin he go do? He no go, not say he go make problem, but only to advise your husband. So she come dey tell her younger sister like that to advise her husband. Make the man go see specialist. Make see specialist. Make them, because this situation where this man dey so, e no dey okay. Not because say the girl lost her job, now the man go change towards her. No. But man wey punch woman wey get just 4 months old baby. You can imagine that. 4 months old baby, you punch her not once, not twice. That thing dey. To me, I feel say, excuse me, I feel say the man needs specialist. Make doctor check the man. No normal person go do that. No normal person go do that for your own wife, for somebody wey you call wife, just because say she no dey work, because she give up her job because of her condition. Viewers, Thanks for watching. If you have anything to say, subscribe or leave your message below. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.